don't know. I mean, we'll have to take a look. We might have to put Doge on Elon. You know what Doge is? Doge is the monster that might have to go back and eat Elon. Wouldn't that be terrible? He gets a lot of subsidies, Peter. But Elon's very upset that the EV mandate is going to be terminated. And you know what? When you look at it, not everybody wants an electric car. I don't want an electric car. I want to have maybe gasoline, maybe electric, maybe a hybrid, maybe someday a hydrogen. If you have a hydrogen car, it has one problem. It blows up.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. 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 Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
You know? So I'm going to give that one to Peter. I'm going to let Peter test it out.
The funny thing is, somebody actually said that on the stream yesterday. Like, somebody literally said, bro, as soon as we hit price discovery or something bullish happen, Trump gonna come out and do something. And then today we wake up, Trump and Elon getting into it again. Not picking sides here, but come on, man. Like, the timing of this, every time the market looks like it's about to be fruitful. I mean, people trading altcoin for stocks. We literally got stocks tokenized on chain now. We got a lot to be excited about, right? Well, it is what it is. Let's get into the news. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. But at the end of the day, nothing has changed. We're still in the range. Cryptocurrency market, it is what it is. A little bit frothy. The stock market still is sitting at all-time highs, but I would, say that it is overbought, right? You can look at the SPY here, a little bit overbought. This is the weekly time frame. You want to see stocks headed into price discovery, but I don't think the elites want to see stocks up here right now. I think they want to load up more of their bag, regardless if you think what's happening between Trump and Elon is a show or not. Every time we get any type of momentum and confidence in the market, something comes out of nowhere, some type of friction, tariffs, war tension comes out of nowhere, man, and kind of dampens the mood, right? And I think retail gotta be tired of it, because I'm tired of it. And we did get that sell signal there on Tesla. Like, a lot of stocks are overbought, right? And now you're starting to see a little bit of trickling down. So if the stocks do go for a reset or correction, this could further send altcoins lower, right? We could see more bleeding from some of those altcoins, and it'd be even worse for the low caps, right? On the flip side, as an investor, right, we have to understand and control our emotions and look at the time frame. Understand that the catalysts that we have ahead could award us if we take a bite at some of these opportunities now. It's painful for me to say. It hurts as an investor, but this is the dark side of investing, right? NFA. The best thing to do in the market sometimes is absolutely nothing. In my opinion, you don't really got to do nothing, right? You don't got to buy the dip. You don't got to sell anything. You know what I mean? You can per se focus on IRL, getting your bag up, and kind of ignoring the manipulation, alleged manipulation in the market, whether you look at it as market makers, whether you look at it as the media, whether you look at it as the elites. I would tend to agree with you there. Allegedly, there is some sort of manipulation going on. So let me know your opinion on the spat between Elon and Trump and how it's currently, hurting the market. Yesterday, we did get some bullish news where you can actually literally trade a shit coin, not so, but a meme coin for stock. So now we are in the age where stocks are on chain and literally can be traded with meme coins. So this is really good. They call it the internet capital markets. I think that this is good, right? You can now swap stocks like Tesla directly on Solana. So now Wall Street, if they hop on these platforms, they're like, okay, this is cool stocks, but let me see if I can make a little bit more money being a little bit more degen, right? And that's where the onboarding comes. That's when the adoption comes. And at some point, maybe that's when retail will return. But it is what it is, man. Like, it's kind of disheartening. Trump is already beefing with Powell. And now the one guy on your side, Elon, and Elon, like, he really trying to ignore him. He like, I'm not really trying to get into that. Historically speaking, July has historically been a good month for Bitcoin. And if we see Bitcoin continue to rally, we should see altcoins specifically in the top 100, the ones that seem to be the chosen ones from the retail, from institutions like Tau, right? We see in stocks add Tau to the treasuries, right? But just pay attention to some of the strongest cryptocurrencies, the ones that have been outperforming Bitcoin for the last 3 to 6 months. This actually feeds into Rod's thesis. He says the coins that will do the best in the next 6 months are those that have outperformed Bitcoin in the past 6 months. So just go over your portfolio and see what has been outperforming Bitcoin for the last 3 to 6 months. That should be a direct correlation to the altcoins that have the most strength in the market. But that's really it. I'm going to do some more research on some subnets for you guys. And you should see some content coming out a little later, some more subnet content, some more Tau content. We're gonna throw a Jasmy video in there, and of course we're gonna do a ZBCN TA update because I know y'all like them videos as well. But I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on in the market because somebody on the live stream said this yesterday, like, bro, we Trump gonna come out and do something every time we get close to price discovery. Guys, according to the crypto RSI heat map, we are severely oversold on the weekly. So this is a positive thing. This means that you can get a lot of your favorite altcoins on sale. Market could go either way. We got liquidity patches on either side. So just watch for that leverage. A little bit stronger here to the upside, right around 108. So looks like the leverage does want to pull us to 108, but this is depicted upon how big the spat will become between Trump and Elon Musk because it can cause a little water leakage with our risk on assets, guys. Fed is the big boss. We're still, assuming we get those Fed cuts, market would do well. Just try to keep my personal resolve up and positivity out there for everyone. But yeah, it is what it is with the market. Y'all, let me know what y'all think. And the timing of this. I'd love when you guys comment the timing and really, really dig deep on why you think this happened. Let me know in the comments. Engage with the video. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.